Welcome back to Foodify History, where we uncover the stories behind the world's most delicious dishes. Today, we're diving into the secret behind the world's best fries. French fries, chips, finger chips, French fried potatoes, or just simply fries. No matter what you call them, we can't resist these crunchy, golden delights. But where and how did it all start? The origin of fries is still debated, with Spain and France both claiming the title. Some food historians believe that Saint Teresa of Avila from Spain cooked the first French fries, while others assert that the fries are of French origin. Regardless, these crispy potato treats have been captivating taste buds for centuries. It all began with the classic burger and fries combo, but our love for fries has led to countless variations worldwide. Let's take a closer look at some of the most unique and delicious ways people enjoy their fries. Canada, poutine. Originating in Quebec, poutine is a mouth-watering combination of crispy fries smothered in cheese curds and rich gravy. This Canadian favorite has gained popularity worldwide, with numerous variations featuring pulled pork, mushrooms, and more. UK, chips with salt and vinegar. A simple yet iconic British snack, these thick-cut chips are generously sprinkled with salt and doused in tangy malt vinegar. Often served wrapped in newspaper, they're a quintessential British comfort food. Japan, nori fries. Taking inspiration from Japanese flavors, these fries are dusted with seaweed seasoning, adding a unique umami taste. Served with a side of wasabi mayo, they're a delicious fusion of East meets West. Mexico, carne asada fries. A San Diego creation with Mexican roots, carne asada fries are topped with tender, grilled meat, melted cheese, creamy guacamole, and tangy sour cream. This indulgent dish combines the best of Mexican and American comfort food. Netherlands, potage oorlog. A Dutch specialty, potage oorlog translates to war fries due to the messy appearance of this delicious concoction. Fries are served with a generous dollop of mayonnaise, finely chopped onions, and a sweet and savory peanut sauce called sautsaus. Belgium, frites with andalou sauce. Belgians take their frites seriously. They're typically served in a paper cone and accompanied by andalou sauce, a spicy, mayo-based condiment with a hint of tomato and peppers. South Korea, honey butter fries. A sweet and savory treat, these fries are coated in a rich honey butter glaze. The combination of sweet honey, rich butter, and salty fries creates a delightful flavor explosion that has made this dish popular in South Korea and beyond. Greece, Greek fries. Giving fries a Mediterranean twist, Greek fries are topped with crumbled feta cheese, aromatic oregano, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple yet flavorful combination brings the taste of the Aegean to your plate. Australia, chicken salt fries. A popular seasoning down under, chicken salt is a savory blend of spices, onion powder, garlic powder, and chicken flavoring. Generously sprinkled on hot fries, this Aussie favorite adds an addictive, savory kick. India, masala fries. Spicing up the classic fry, masala fries are tossed in a blend of Indian spices, including cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Served with a side of cooling mint yogurt dip, these fries pack a flavorful punch. These are just a few examples of how fries have been transformed and enjoyed across the globe. So, what's the secret to making the best fries? It all comes down to selecting the right potato, slicing it evenly, and double frying for that perfect crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Don't forget to season them with your favorite spices or condiments. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving fry perfection. Choose the right potato. Russet potatoes or similar starchy varieties are ideal for making crispy fries. Their high starch content and low moisture levels result in a fluffy interior and a golden brown crust when fried. Slice evenly. Cut the potatoes into even-sized strips to ensure they cook uniformly. The size of the strips will determine the final texture of your fries, thicker cuts for a soft interior or thinner cuts for extra crunch. Soak and dry. Soak the potato strips in cold water for at least 30 minutes or up to a few hours to remove excess starch. This step helps to achieve a crispier fry. Then, thoroughly dry the potatoes using a clean kitchen towel to prevent oil splatters and ensure maximum crispiness. Double fry. First, Fry the potatoes at a lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius, until they're cooked through but not yet browned. This initial frying stage allows the potatoes to cook evenly without overcooking the exterior. Remove the fries and let them drain on paper towels. Then, increase the temperature to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and fry again for a crispy and golden finish. This second frying stage creates a deliciously crispy crust while keeping the interior soft and fluffy. Season. Once the fries are cooked, season them with salt or your favorite spices while they're still hot. This step ensures the seasoning sticks to the fries for maximum flavor. You can experiment with different seasonings such as garlic powder, paprika, or truffle salt to create unique and delicious flavors. Serve with a dipping sauce. While fries are delicious on their own, serving them with a dipping sauce can elevate their flavor. From classic ketchup and mayonnaise to exotic aioli and curry sauce, the possibilities are endless. You can even create your own signature dipping sauce by combining your favorite flavors and ingredients. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with different potatoes, seasonings, and frying techniques, the closer you will get to making the ultimate homemade fries. The worldwide love for fries knows no bounds, and we hope this journey has left you craving your favorite style of fries. Now, it's your turn to tell us, which fries are your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Foodify History for more delicious food stories. Until next time, fry fans, stay hungry and stay curious.